The people them were educated, now gonna need Tropixs go comment and now gonna need share them comment. I be a don't step on them people left something.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Dancehall, Falling Star, Tifa, this Tropixs and the whole dancehall community, I think. We are going to talk about it right now. Tifa recently went on the Nightly Fix podcast and did an interview. And in that interview, she said a lot of things. She said, and I quote, people will comment on the Tropixs and Dancehall Shade Room page on Instagram at Dunce. So the Tropixs and Dancehall Shade Room page on Instagram are two of the biggest Jamaican made platform, are two of the biggest Jamaican based platform. Dancehall Shade Room have approximately 185,000 followers on Instagram, and the Tropixs have 262,000 followers on Instagram. So question to Tifa, these people on Instagram, the 262,000 people on Tropixs page and the 185,000 on Shade Room page, aren't they dancehall supporters? Aren't they even some of your fans? So you mean to tell me that you're calling your fans a set of dunce? Tifa, a wrong move that, and that's why in the intro me say you're a falling star. Tifa, you're one of the artists them we sit down every day upon your phone and turn vlogger, you know, and ask some stupid question before you promote your music. Look, you go on the Nightly Fix and you spend 30 odd minutes a rant and I talk about how people don't like you and who don't like you and who are fight you down and all kind of shades you are through all over. Before you spend that time there, the energy there, the platform, get the opportunity to go up on the platform there and promote your song, promote your album. But no, you're ready to cuss the whole of dancehall and the whole of IG. Calling the whole of IG a set of dunce. Me I tell you this, yo. You see, once you're a Jamaican and you're there on IG and you're as a dancehall fan, and not necessarily dancehall fan, but a lot of people, a lot of Jamaicans are on these platforms. A matter of fact, how them would get so much, how them would be so big, how them would be 200 and odd people. You tell me say 200 and odd foreign people. No, are them same Jamaican, are them same people who will love dancehall. They on Tropixs page and they on Dancehall Shade Room page, but them are dunce. Tifa, you go wrong. Then you start cuss about people and like you, people are fight you, and nobody no give you no justice. Tifa, you can't cuss so. Couple years ago you come on stage and say, yo, you go quit. You go retire. And all know you still no retire. What do you forward and say you go retire, you still no retire. And then you still have the retire talk in your mind, but yet still you have the album. Tifa, how you want from dancehall? Exploit dancehall? Tifa, you talk about say you no artist no get fight like you. Tifa, every artist get flight. That's played out. Every artist have to put in the work to reap the success. And not necessarily artists alone. Everybody, once you do something where you love, you have to put in the work. Now look for my channel now. As me, as a simple vlogger, we are putting the work. A whole heap of background, a whole heap of things we are going behind the scenes of people and see, you know. But me now go forward on my channel and talk every day and say, yo, people are fight me, people are like me, people are cuss me. No, me hold it like a soldier. In the past couple months, or 2 times, me get strike. See, me can't go live right now. But what? Me now go forward and a cuss. Me a hold it. Tifa, you need to hold your own Tifa if you want to be an artist. And Tifa, talk the truth, man. Nobody else, no female artist else no get push and promotion like how you get push and promotion. Remember Tifa, you did have a big deal with Digicel, and you supposed to still have a big deal with Digicel and bigger. When me a take the flight, when me a left out of Jamaica, then I walk through airport, I move a picture that me see big and bold beside Miss Kitty and Usain Bolt and Ayactane. Tifa, stop going like say you no get help. Stop going like say you no get push. And then you go talk about say yo, a whole heap of people call Digicel and say yo, and a bonfire against you and I say yo, you need to stop promote them on X, Y and Z. Say Digicel need to stop promote you. Tifa, you sound like me never want to say what you sound like. You see on the radio, you used to get a big strength because you're one of the artists them where me classify you as corporate artists. You're not necessarily like the in-depth dancehall. Well, yeah, you want in-depth dancehall artist, but more want to understand me. You're a corporate artist. Certain artists in the business right now are corporate artists. I mean, I call some name for you understand what I say. You see Ding Dong, a corporate artist. You see Shensia them, a corporate artist. So artists like them there, where media, them always a get pushed from media house. Them always, anytime anything corporate Jamaica a keep, them always a get that push there. So Tifa more you stop tell lie and stop talk about say yo, you not get push on people and hate you and nobody not hate you. Me feel like say yo, I just you a hate yourself. Make we call some big name now. Make we look pan Spice. Yo, look how much people are hate pan Spice. Alright, upcoming artist, Shensia. Look how much things go on with Shensia in the last couple years. Remember, Shensia did the big bad song with Vybz Kartel when he am Ludi. Zin? After the song got #1, couple months after, the original song uploaded by Vybz Kartel, Vivo. Come on, Tifa. What could that be bad? You ever get beaten from Gaza supporters? You know what it is like to get beaten and blacklisted from Gaza supporters? And nothing pretty. And Shensia been there and overcome that. Earlier on in this year, them released a video with Shensia, which me no know, all know me not sure if it's Shensia, but Shensia forward on her Instagram and say it wasn't she. But them release the video and I put it on her and I say a she with a dick in her mouth. With the person in the video, I give somebody a head. I give a man a head. And them say a Shensia. See? And Shensia play it off neat and say yo, I know she and move on from it. And probably if me never talk about it now, people would remember. You ever get fight like that? You say yo, you have court, you have Supreme Court for go 5 years. Tifa. Did you get a gun charge? Did you get a murder charge? You did in a jail? Yo, stop cuss, man. You sound like a I swear. And people probably will not ask why me I go so hard or probably why me upset about it. But yo, you see when you follow these pages, when you follow these social media page, and then an artist will come out and say, yo, you're Dunce. That are you them are talking because me follow them page, you know. I mean, know a lot of people will listen this as well. Follow them page. So we get offended. Tifa, may I give you some advice? Zin, if you retire, you retire. Stop saying you're going to retire and don't retire. Either you retire or you stay in the business and tough it out. Stop complaining, man. People tired to hear the complaint. People want to hear good music. Go in the studio and do good music. A good music we want to hear. And Tifa, every single smaddy, every single soul get fight in a dance hall. Me can make a 20-minute video and call name of who get fight in a dance hall. Tifa, either you go take the fight or you go left out it. Dance hall is one tough place. Dance hall is no place for no soft somebody. And yeah, yo, there's so much things you go wrong on the interview there. But Tifa, I want to clarify this to you. I want you understand. You're a good artist, you're a talented artist, you're one of the most talented female artists them. But not true, you're one of the most talented female artists them, you know for work for your spot. You're there in our business for 10 years now, 10 years and odd. Work for your spot, work for your spot. Now for them artists you should come and run round you and run past you. At one point you want big gap. Did they in the business as a female artist for feel why you never step up to the plate. Other artists will come after you step up to the plate and you say on the interview because watch out the whole interview, you know. You say you never have the correct people in my work around you and now you still not have the correct people in my work around you. Tifa, if you don't surround yourself with good people, no matter how big you be, no matter how best you be as an artist, no matter how lyrical you be as an artist, you're not going to reach that point where me expect you to reach. You're not going to reach a peak in your career where you want to reach. So step 1, surround yourself around some good people, please. May I ask you? You see me? Step 2, stop cuss. Step 3, go in the studio, record some decent song and run with it. These days, you say it as well, these days talent alone in a dancehall not really make it. And that are true with the hype, with all social media thing and everything like that. Talent alone in a dancehall not really make it. You have to figure out in yourself a strategic plan and see how you're going to grow in the business. How you're going to get them people your attention. I mean if you pull some full stunt. But how you're going to reach out. There's different means and ways of reaching out to people in here. See, 10 years ago, marketing strategy and right now marketing strategy are two different. Because if you don't understand internet are run the thing, vloggers and bloggers are run the thing. So me don't know how you go this them and expect you to get a breakthrough. How you go this the internet and expect a breakthrough. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and you can check out the full interview. Just search for it, man. Our nightly fix interview. Me nah left no link in the description. You know what I mean? But you can search for it. You see me? And watch the whole interview and tell me what you think. You feel like say me wrong? You feel like say a foolish me there talk? Tell me what you think in the comment section below. You feel like say Tifa cuss too much? Tell me that too in the comment section below. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and you can follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. I'm out.